The Roman way of life. Essential question. What makes a culture unique? Guiding questions. What was daily life like for the Romans? How did the Greeks influence Roman culture? Terms to know. Gladiator. A person who fought people and animals for public entertainment. Satire. Writing that pokes fun at human weaknesses. Ode. Poem that expresses strong emotions about life. Vault. A curved ceiling. Anatomy. The study of the body's structure. This is where we are in the world right now. The key is showing the dark areas on this map, the Roman Empire. When did it happen? AD 80, the Colosseum is finished. AD 100, emperors begin ruling the Roman Empire. This is where we are in history. AD 476, the city of Rome falls. AD 550, Western Empire falls.